The HONITURE S14 Cordless vacuum cleaner represents a leap forward in home cleaning technology. This innovative device combines high-efficiency performance with user-friendly features, making it an ideal choice for modern households. Equipped with a powerful brushless motor, an advanced OLED display, and a thoughtful ergonomic design, this cordless vacuum cleaner offers a seamless cleaning experience. Its long battery life and unique aromatherapy feature enhance its functionality, making cleaning not just thorough, but also enjoyable. This review will delve into the key features and specifications of this cordless vacuum cleaner, highlighting why it might be the next essential addition to your home. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Innovative display technology. This cordless vacuum cleaner features an advanced OLED color screen that displays 8 different animation modes. This unique feature allows users to quickly grasp the operational status of the vacuum, making it easier to maintain and potentially extending its lifespan. The clear, energy-efficient display ensures that the vacuum cleaner is user-friendly for everyone. Number 2. Powerful suction capabilities. Equipped with a 450-watt brushless motor that operates at 200,000 RPM, this cordless vacuum cleaner offers an impressive suction power of up to 33 kW. This makes it highly effective at picking up pet hair and other debris from various surfaces. The vacuum also includes 3 adjustable gears to cater to different cleaning needs and features an aromatherapy tablet to leave rooms smelling fresh. Number 3. Extended runtime. This cordless vacuum cleaner is powered by a built-in BIOS intelligent management system with dual chip protection, which enhances battery life and safety by preventing overheating and undercharging. The HONITURE S14 boasts a long battery life, offering up to 55 minutes of runtime, making it suitable for extensive cleaning sessions across the entire house. Number 4. Ergonomic design. Designed with an ergonomic dual handle, this cordless vacuum cleaner reduces wrist strain during use. Its versatility is highlighted by its effectiveness in cleaning car seats, furniture, stairs, and sofas. Additionally, its design allows for easy placement, such as leaning against a sofa armrest during interruptions, enhancing user convenience. Number 5. Efficient cleaning technology. The combination of a large floor brush and a V-shaped brush roll enables this cordless vacuum cleaner to deeply clean carpets and floors, capturing hair and particles efficiently. The vacuum also features a special edge design that cleans along walls and corners effectively, complemented by bright LED lights that illuminate dark areas to ensure no dust or debris is missed. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 12 inches length by 11 inches width by 7 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Conclusion. The HONITURE S14 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is an exemplary model that balances power, efficiency, and user comfort. Its robust suction capabilities, coupled with a versatile design and extended battery life, cater effectively to the diverse needs of a busy household. The innovative OLED screen adds a modern touch by simplifying device management, while the added aromatherapy feature introduces a unique sensory element to routine cleaning. With a comprehensive 3-year warranty and dedicated customer support, this cordless vacuum cleaner stands out as a reliable, high-performance solution for maintaining a clean and pleasant home environment. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.